Ebusian for aha Ghana SMTV GH, like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, Ebusian for ya wakasa bi o ewe mu say ne ayengba hojore afokpoenya to wait say a form no yeshia wonana sinebu she knew the already right, but I guess you understand what it is I mean. Ene Omanhene ne butumi foot to the extent say or person or sumpo radio so hey, time changes so time changes papa time changes because the kind of propaganda as Omanhene and his likes we the tia for about my government pa hey yeka Russia Ukraine we say mami e mayen ka bi yeka ye bo covid den we say mayen bobi na ye nim na ebe ye humpo ye fa ha musi debi and we've all been in it like that. And yes sir anti I panse na Omanhene who soon say contrast ya inflate contrast do I say onim say NDC for omoba omuni hwi amba beye sa nyama ya sa kululu juma iwe ya na mba beye say who captain me see captain say who kwabna anko kwabna say onim obi show sooner NDC for na mo pe propaganda ye pa obi Eric J mu na ya janto amu Sami Jemfimu Felix Kwachemu the loads of them some platforms so and yes sir yeah say NDC for those omuka sembia instead fact check your moon fact check it because as an ekotia MPP in team you are happy ekotia Akufa in team you are happy and now soon to the extent that we will for out me sorry free shows to say please you see Mahama pe on be arrested na wabre umbre papa say we are there umbre I got 2 years 8 months 2 years 8 months and naga and they say after 1 year 4 months we say wabre and say we are there how are you going to survive up to 2028? We will not allow any of you to be tired. We are in it together. Yes, you have brought us to this place. Mu journalists for Bibri, mu count na yewa hende. Dambe fact checking. Yes sir, amu running agenda. And they say more to me boa no ada yesak abesi he baby I was saying. Nobody is living as our fate. We all go there inside. Yeah. We all go there inside. Oh. Hey. So that complaining, you people are complaining. Are there 78 million asana? Last year, 70. This year, one fan count. Oh. And yes, minimum I bekasa. Maybe I say no tiare. Matthias here. I bekasa because I say one first ask mamu there. Say ain't none ebre. Maybe I almost ask more. Maybe you'll be insulated. Against the pain some of us are feeling now and the hardship. It's a Matthias here. And yes, you be young baby. Why? You need this for Bekasa. To me. But until then, don't be getting angry. Be people through. Be people through. Kwabna Omanhene. Be people because enti nyabotre. Bojidan osia. Bojidan to wase. Why? Take your time. Calm down, relax, cool down.
Let me tell you, we are not dealing with this country.
Yes.
Sa professor me and the say no. You are not hold on. Me say, maybe at that time about education. I don't have a problem.
That's fine.
But I'm saying that enough of these kind of situations because people dodge under this. Now we share papa on news file. Now her situation a woman say here. Now we treat this situation as trivial. Do we have a country that we can trust?
I agree with you. The American is we enter in the Yamiadom Wabano, all Banzos a document be bring a one. What I'm saying is, so share number of staff
from Yaji packages for the ministry and the minister. Kofa BMB, massaging Professor Mills late. Now for the currency, Nibu take that back. ABC near that's what you pick up as Sky this is. How do we fight corruption? I don't know. How do we fight corruption? Jogi the super so. And then the fault. You see package no hold your contract. Now the same man become more de man baby omu free say car say motor sahania ya besine. You see corruption. Now they say obi ama me ko minister bi me ko apeche. We cry me ni ko for your bodum dada. Ona money. Yeah ko ye bi ne ko baby. And people go scot free when they oh please. Now what's happening? These government institutions so called are only effective when power changes. Mommy break oh please.
Ego see saying na high at some FM ain't.
Medwani chemo e wo mrahye bedwamni a wo mfanti man abato mpesua so wose sesi ade just enche kra obi wo ho wo ko school wie wose menya adwuma na mtifie obi nso kra nko school wose menya adwuma na mtifie saa ne mane nyina atu obetwa wo kra nko komfring ye nkofo amanso mani be we ne nyina ne se aban de nkokon ketenketi program no aba saa initiative no wo se ebeboa yie pa na wo de atodwa se efa edikan na wo hye ase no kra no Wamo de nkukwan ketenkete ebeye empem ahenu 200,000 ene de ama district makumaku edunwotwe 18 district ewo central region na wose ene se wamo boa ama wamo ye potri dada no wamo emu apagya na afenso no ye twa saade bi na Ghana ye nkukwo funufura brochi ene ye bi adi 1000 years nso eba ye ba chi ano ni yawe ni nyina wode nsem watudwa Ebro ne Douglas Oyibo Amposa etwetwe nkomo na emrahye bedwamni Honorable Dr. Ebenezer Prince ahe wodi tu dwase saade a womo ye ebeboa bia nnwuma bebre se bi obi ofie kro timi kwaji binyan enya kakra egu ne botomu na asanso aboa apagya oman ya nkokonyen adwumadie mu empo atwiafo nso dwumadie ebekosoro yie pa firi se wudua we no nkokon ketenkete na ye de bepagya mu yie pa na wose mfanteman korampo no omo che 10,000 eye empem edu nkokon ketenkete ne bi enema woni a onsa kan bi.
So that even without us and in our absence, they would be able to experience such an opportunity. So it is something that we will advance so that it wouldn't have to wait for even 6 months. We can have the schools come around, or we can have our troops from the cultural center who acted it out very well for us at the auditorium.
Background here, lots of chicks we have here. During our campaign, we did go around to promise the people of Infantiman, by extension the Republic of Ghana, that we are going to help reduce the importation of protein like chicken. And so, not just reducing the importation, we're also going to promote healthy eating lifestyle. And so we termed it in Konketingete. It became a laughing stock. People were laughing at us today. But today, as I speak, behind me you have about 10,000 count of Konketingete. They are maturing in just 3 weeks. This is going to go to the whole constituency to benefit the people. You know, we are in the Easter festivity, so people are already excited about having their own fowls, rearing them. It's very important because one, it's going to promote healthy lifestyle eating. It's also going to cut down the importation, which will.
Abusiana tese emrahye bedwamni Honorable Dr. Ebenezer Prince ahim ene yete nkane no wiye no na municipal chief executive Edema Infantiman Honorable Stanley Eric Akwa oniso du tudwase ebeboa yie pa wo hune se ebemma resource papa na omanfo ehwe ni yie a enkokwan ketenkete na yede ama wo mo no wo mo hwe ni yie a ebeboa na ohwe ni mo se beye wo hanche mo aduokono enwotwe yɛbɛyɛ successful na je sɛ nkokɔ ɛbɛyɛ yie bɛyɛ saa akyɛ kakra bi ne bɛwuo ɛwɔ mu ɔda aban nase na wɔhyɛ bɔ sɛ wɔn ɛbɛhwɛ na wɔn nso ama emuaye papa aba wom.
The inspiration came from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, in whose capacity I'm serving as the municipal chief executive. And so, as part of his campaign promises, he did indicate to the public, the general public, that when voted into office, he was going to put a stop to the importation of pets. Okay. And so he added that it is important we begin to rear our own birds for our own consumption. I mean, I am believing each district or municipal was given 10,000 birds. Usually, we have Department of Agriculture within the municipality. So anything that borders on agric, we don't expect the MP or the MCA to take over. So we actually allowed the agric director to take charge in respect of the registration. I mean, visitation to the various beneficiaries, checking on the chicken coops and all of that. I mean, he the agric director took charge. Basically, we were given some coupons to fill. The coupons has 200 leaflets, and so depending on the people and the number of beds that are available, I think we're just going to make sure whoever.
Honorable Canadian, not just so be a penny dear Sui, no more share any months. Was it and cook on one day in the bayou? A 1 woman at 10,000. Oh, is it? 1 more than 10,000 about fancy manho. Baby, a domadi and umbe pejam. Because Madame for you or doma, or no quan and cook only at 10,000. And I send the other man here. In China, money, I just buy him now on unquam money 50,000. I just said, Obaku phone calls at 10,000. Now, I say, shut. If you want your pejam, because domadi won't say a bank cook on ya doma. Into a beer, a honor. Omo be pejam me kasa nkukwan ketenkete me kasa ekete pa o ba we de em so manyi nyine kakra ebinum em se ebinum esusu chen we kakra. Oh, okay. Ebinum susu we mu de se o manyi nyine, but I think say nra e bia me hu se susu na wo box ketenkete kakra and omo nhyada nso nya ketenkete pa, but we mu de grandfathers ne yi mu na. So we no so mba me e bi ofie mti agita me kwatwiro me den kwaji bi kwanya fie ya ande kwaso
Ansana NDC beti mama power mu na ye MPP ni mu na ntokwasi we sementu biem we sisei enti niama we na AC no kasa kire se unua nya kura na oye unua na yesu okro mpete edi unama ebi yadai ebi ka enti me sramo sa propaganda na NDC for da bia ya meka no NDC for omeba power tro na etro na omode ba power enti ye na yenso yese NPP for na yenso no da bia ye din omoba media no so no omoba ka omadwen omoba media so no omoba twatro omoba yese propaganda yese na ye ka no na do danko akofo ado ene ba omi anya nkopon na da sa niam we nyina di obi wo power o rulu ntokwa sie mu gina asimpie so ka kire se nya ntokwa bia na ntokwa na ayekoso no enya Ghana na wefo na anya ntokwa nti ntokwa no enya sunsu boni bia ewo Ghana ya mamu mu de nura ya mu de ba ya boti bia ya chawo aka sai ye de na aba ne de ntokwa na ayekoso no benya sunsu ewo ya mamu onu nti mesra MPP for we nyankopon na eto nsuo egu na nado ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia omo 8 years o mbetwa ye ho ye beka no kura first 4 years for akofo ado ye who crisis bia first 4 years ye to about first 4 years akofo ado be bia perfect the second 4 years na crisis na started say you know na e ma say ABT IBP ni amen to aba now NDC for so the jandam na mu na omo hwiamo na koko ye ba mu sei but empire me ba ne di kakra me waka ne say me sramo MPP for momo me nyasa me to aba na we akoye the base na we the base o the hwan o mo bi say alanchemante say okote ne party akowie ne say enti ye kra anytime ni party triwa o MPP mu e be free party no eno kra na ewi ni power enti say the omo the base o omo hwan o omo den o emu ye bam but dear metimi aka ne say mama ye MPP for unim say oye MPP ni a sori waka na ye adwumaden ma MPP no na say omo jandam ne de da bia omo de baba say omo de ba ne ye din so da bia omo de babu nkama faye so because we have adwuma 2020 8 years for akufo den ba omi arezu adwuma omo ye na da bia me kam say Dr. Kwame Nkrumah kura me say adwuma no and it's fact but ye mpanyimfo na antimi ant sele nana adodan kwa akufo de ne ba umia adwuma na ombe ye no omo ye pese me kum na mafia game ana ombe ball party no enti bi sire sa mafia game no ene ku ye MPP fo ndc fo ne enti bi nkwa kansie enwi ne ye da emre kwan ya ye party no tete yanim ebi si da enti ya sire mo nka bomu ana no kure because they said the economy people for one boy ma ye Ghana nyina na boy ma nti madawro ma na pe ne de mo ye den aka na pe mo ye den 2028 Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud ba mo ye ba ye president e wo Ghana skakra me kan no me da se o mi tie me so me bi wadwuma mutimi nkasa pi